Have you ever stared at your natural hair and felt totally lost? One day it's frizzy, the next day it's dry, and you're just wondering, am I even doing this right? Trust me, I've been there. My natural hair started exactly like that, confused, overwhelmed, and honestly, a little bit of scared and breakage everywhere. But what if I told you that you don't have to feel like that, that frustration? It doesn't have to be your own story, not anymore, at least while you're here. When I first went natural, YouTube became my best friend and somehow my biggest enemy as well. So much information, so many products, so many different opinions. It felt like I needed a degree just to wash my hair. And it felt like I needed 3 weekends just to get my hair washed or wet. I battled shrinkage. I worried about every single strand that fell and honestly had way too many bad hair days. In fact, I actually had to restart my natural hair journey 4 different times because I kept getting it wrong. Or should I say, totally boshed it. I learned the hard way that jumping in without understanding your hair leads to frustration, damage, and feeling like giving up. And when I say knowing your hair or understanding your hair, I mean the hair that grows out of your own scalp. Not the hair of Shequina online, not the hair of Naturally 52 on YouTube, not the hair of Jenny's on TikTok. Your hair. But through those years of trial and error and 4 restarts, I finally cracked the code to what my hair truly needed. And my biggest discovery, it's not about expensive products and complicated routines. It's about understanding your hair, building simple habits, and having the right guidance. That's exactly what I wish I had when I started. And that's exactly what I'm going to be giving you in this Natural Hair 101 series. So you don't have to go through those frustrations and restart as many times as I did. The mistakes I made, so many of them. Think of this series as your personal roadmap to natural hair success. We are going back to basics, cutting through all the noise and giving you fundamental knowledge you need to thrive. You will take that fundamental knowledge and now understand one, your unique hair, from identifying your hair type, your porosity, to learning what your hair actually is telling you at every point. Because one of the most important things we do is ignoring our hair's language. Our hair will be screaming and we ignore it. Also, this roadmap will help you to build a simple but effective routine. You will say goodbye to being a product junkie and say hello to a routine that actually works. Did you know that if you have the wrong product but the right routine, your hair can still be okay? Somehow. But if you have even the best product on earth but you do have the wrong routine, you're wasting your time. The third thing this personal roadmap and series will be doing is that we are going to burst wide open so many myths. There are so many myths about breakage, shrinkage, finding the right products, fear of your hair. We are going to face them head on. And you can stop worrying and start celebrating and enjoying the hair that grows out of your scalp. And the fourth thing we are going to do in this series, oh yes, we are going to talk about growth because I know that is number one on most of your list. You want hair growth. My promise to you is that you will no longer be overwhelmed, no more guesswork, just clear, actionable advice that is easy to follow. This isn't just a hair journey. It's a journey of self love, confidence. Every single coil, every twist, every braid is a part of your unique beauty. There will be good hair days. And yes, there might be some not so good days, but that's totally okay. Not everything is supposed to be perfect. Not every day will be 100. What matters is that you keep learning, keep celebrating your progress, and just trust the process. You are absolutely capable of achieving your healthiest hair, most beautiful hair, And you don't have to be scared to achieve that. You don't have to feel like you need a PhD or master's from Harvard just to have a simple routine for your hair. So, if you're ready to ditch the confusion and truly fall in love with your natural hair in all its glory, make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss every single video in this Natural Hair 101 series. And I would absolutely love to hear from you. What is your biggest natural hair goal and your biggest fear right now? Drop it in the comments and I will reply to all of you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our subsequent videos where we are going to burst everything wide open, lay it down for you like just a piece of cake that needs eating. So then, ciao, ciao. I understand the pressures of always wanting to have your natural hair on, but sometimes you have to give yourself the grace to understand that your hair requires, it demands rest, without which it will crumble like a cookie. And nobody likes crumbled cookies. We throw them away. So give your hair some time to rest.